How does the lighting look? Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my videos. By the time that you guys are seeing this video, the 10th video should be up for the Z, so make sure you guys go check that out. Now last time you guys saw me, I told you guys that next time you guys did see me, it was because we were gonna be piecing the Subi back together. Now the car already sat for over a week, so the paint is fully cured. All we gotta do is start assembling it. I don't know how far we're gonna get in today's video, but all I'm really trying to do is get all 4 doors on the car.
No, like we could rest it there and then move the chair and adjust it and then crank it up and then the other one could lift it up as we...
Okay.
Yeah, I got it. You got it. Yeah, let's flip it over. Put it on there. Whatever. Let's bring it over here.
So it goes.
Alright, there you go. Look at this, dude. This thing is finally coming together. Oh my god, look at it.
Now before we continue with today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to my brother Johnny and my brother Isai. They helped me put the doors, hood, and trunk on the car, so shout out to them.
I'm getting ready to put the fenders on the car, but
It's crazy to think that I'm actually doing this. It feels like just yesterday I was taking everything apart and now I'm putting everything back together, and
believe it or not, I'm really excited. I want to just go ahead and get it over with, but let's go ahead, slap our fenders, and then I'll give you guys another update.
let's go ahead and finish this car.
Right now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put the front bumper and the front headlights. That way we can go ahead and finish the front end. Once that's done, I want to go ahead and move on to the hood scoop. First things first, let's get this done. Headlights are now in. They both look beautiful. Now I haven't seen this in a long time, and neither have you guys, so are you guys ready for this? Pa Dio. Finally this car looks like a car. Look, it finally has its front end. Oh, how I missed this front end. I'm gonna go ahead, put on the hood scoop, but I just wanted to take a minute to show you guys how the headlight looks. I honestly just want to drive it, so let's go ahead and finish it. Hood scoop is back on there. One of the first things that I admire and liked about this car was how big that hood scoop is. I remember driving this car and the only thing you could see is that huge hood scoop, so looking forward to seeing that again. I also went ahead and attached the wiper fluid sprayers, so now we can have water sprayed to our window. And there's also some kind of water system that sprays water into the intercooler. I also went ahead and attached that. Right now we're getting ready to put the wing on the car, so let's go ahead and take care of that next. Alright, the wing is now back on the car. This is so surreal right now. I can't believe we're actually putting the car back together. Worst part is it's raining outside, and you can tell by all of these water spots on the Evo. But we're not gonna be able to drive the car on the road today, which is a bummer because I want to get on this car and drive it. The paint's brand new. I don't want to go on a drive in this weather because I want to keep it looking good as long as possible. Let's just hurry up and finish her. What I want to do next is go ahead and put on the tail lights. Once the tail lights are on, we can move on to the gas cap. And then last, we're going to go ahead and put those two side skirts that you guys see there. But I just wanted to show you guys really quick how she's coming out.
You got my heart, got my mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, muchachos y muchachas, this car is officially now 90% done. This is how the car currently looks. It's still missing a bottom lip. Don't worry, we have one. I'll show you guys how that looks later down the road. And it's also missing rear bumper. The original rear bumper is right over here. But same like the front bumper, I just want to go ahead and replace it, repaint it, do my thing. And that's the only thing that this car needs in order for me to be able to say it's done and complete. Now, like I said, I already have the front lip, so I do want to sand it down and repaint it. And because I do got to paint the rear bumper that I'm going to buy, I'm just going to go ahead and repaint that whenever I paint the rear bumper. Right now, I am gonna drive the car for a bit like this. I don't know when I'm gonna spray the rear bumper, but I'm probably gonna wait until we have a little warmer weather. I am so happy that this car is done. The year just started and this car is basically done. So now I can go ahead and start working on new projects. Like I said, we're not gonna be able to drive the car today because it is raining outside. But next time you guys see me, I'm for sure gonna take it on a drive. And next time you guys see me, I'm also gonna be figuring out why I need to jumpstart this car every time that I want to turn it on. So until then, peace out, my friends.